Alright, so in order to complete this, what you'll first have to do is grab this board, that's number 3. You're gonna have to get these right here, which is right there. Put the clips on right here. Make sure you have the clip facing inner, and the other piece that slides up, make sure the lines are up right there, as you can see, and then just screw it down. Pull this one right here all the way through, so that way it goes through that hole right there, and then screw it down in that hole right there. Then these wheels right here, they're gonna go on the inner. Okay, so we'll just like this, and that's how it's gonna go, right in there. And that piece right here clips onto right there, and I'll do it for all 4. Okay, so you'll take these, which are E and C's, put them in the first hole and the third hole. I'm doing it upside down, and you just smash it to that hole right there. Okay, this is your number 5 right here. And zoom out, number 5. There's your number 4. That's what it looks like when it comes together. You'll put 5 on the outside, just like that, and then you'll put your screw, which is this D, right up inside, and then it goes right up in there, and it's gonna look like that when it gets done. Then you're gonna put a number 6 right here to go to number 4 right here. Alright, so these 8 have the different washers, and it's gonna be E and B. E and B is the screw and the washer. Basically, that's how it's gonna go. You're gonna go through those holes and line it up to these holes right here, just like that, on the headboard, and then also on the footboard. Remember, y'all, do not tighten them in yet. Just get them loose just where they're in there. Make sure you're going from the back way in, and then tighten it down. Okay, so the A and then the I's. You're gonna put that just right over there, just like that, on both sides, that side and also on that side. Headboard and footboard. Then you'll grab number 7, which expands. You'll grab that screw right there. You simply just place it in there, and then you'll tighten it down. You're gonna grab number 9, which is this bar, that one right there. And then you're gonna just simply place these 2 screws on both ends, the bigger one right here in the middle, with number 20, the pole underneath, and that's how you do it. So there goes the stick, here goes the little things, it goes on top inside the slot. These go right in here, and as you can see, the rest of them already been done. So you're gonna take these screws, which is B, and then the number 2s. You're gonna put them on the ends, and the sides are gonna be left off. So with this, you just take this board. There's one hole there, and then there's another one right there. You see how I did the other 2. You only do the ends, but these 2 bolts are here. 1, 2, and 3. So 2, 2, 3, and then you just simply put the screw right there, and then it goes into that hole right there. Okay, so for this step, it's the same. When you put the wheels on, you put the corners on, and then we're gonna put number 11 on, which is these ones right here, which go at the very bottom right there. Alright, so that's the drawer symbol. That's what it looks like when it sits in there. So you have that one, and that one that pulls out, and that one at the bottom, and then this one right here. Alright, so in order to complete this, what you'll first have to do is grab this board, that's number 3. You're gonna have to get these right here, which is right there. Put the clips on right here. Make sure you have the clip facing inner, and the other piece that slides up, make sure the lines are up right there, as you can see, and then just screw it down. Pull this one right here all the way through, so that way it goes through that hole right there, and then screw it down in that hole right there.